Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best healthy cookbook is probably one of the most valuable resources for anyone looking to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook simplifies healthy eating by offering a collection of recipes that are both easy to follow and packed with nutrients. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a complete beginner, this cookbook promises to transform your approach to meal preparation, making healthy eating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Number 5. Well-plated cookbook, fast, healthy recipes. Are you looking for quick and nutritious recipes? This cookbook is packed with fast and healthy meals that you'll actually enjoy eating. It's designed to make healthy eating easy and delicious. Do you have a busy schedule? This cookbook offers a variety of recipes that can be prepared quickly. It's perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook simplifies healthy eating. It provides clear instructions and uses readily available ingredients. You'll find it easy to incorporate these recipes into your daily routine. This cookbook isn't just about healthy eating, it's about enjoying your food. The recipes are designed to be flavorful and satisfying. You'll find yourself craving these delicious and wholesome meals. Get ready to transform your approach to cooking and eating. This cookbook is your guide to creating fast, healthy, and incredibly tasty meals. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a balanced and enjoyable diet. What we like. This cookbook offers quick and healthy recipes. It's perfect if you're always on the go but still want nutritious meals. If you are looking for a variety of delicious dishes without spending hours in the kitchen, you should consider this one. What people say. The descriptions and photographs in the cookbook are wonderful. Erin has the gift of developing healthy, easy-to-make recipes that are full of flavor. Plus, I love that she gives storage tips, market swaps, pro tips and leftover ideas with her recipes. Number 4. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook, 75 Healthy Recipes. Are you looking for a way to enjoy your favorite foods without the guilt? This cookbook is packed with 75 of the best healthy recipes for your air fryer. It's the perfect guide to creating delicious meals with ease. This cookbook features a wide variety of recipes, from appetizers to desserts. It offers something for everyone, and each recipe is designed to be both healthy and flavorful. You'll find new favorites in no time. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. The cookbook provides all the information you need to create amazing meals. It makes cooking with your air fryer simple and enjoyable. With this cookbook, healthy eating has never been easier. It helps you create nutritious meals without sacrificing taste. It's a great way to maintain a balanced diet. Get ready to transform your cooking with this essential cookbook. It's your go-to resource for healthy and delicious air fryer recipes. Grab your copy today and start cooking. What we like. This cookbook is all about air fryer cooking. It provides the best healthy recipes for your air fryer. If you like crispy, guilt-free food and want to make the most of your air fryer, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook offers a variety of healthy and delicious recipes. It includes beautiful pictures of the finished dishes. Number 3. 30-Minute Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious way to eat? This cookbook is your guide to the Mediterranean diet. It offers a variety of recipes that are easy to make and packed with flavor. Inside, you'll find 101 recipes that can be prepared in just 30 minutes. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. This book makes healthy eating simple and accessible. Each recipe is designed to be both flavorful and nutritious. The dishes are inspired by the Mediterranean region, known for its fresh ingredients and delicious cuisine. You'll enjoy every bite while nourishing your body. The Mediterranean diet is known for its health benefits. This cookbook will help you adopt a sustainable eating plan for lifelong health. It's a lifestyle change that will make you feel great. With this cookbook, healthy eating becomes easy and convenient. It provides all the tools you need to create delicious and nutritious meals quickly. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. What we like. This cookbook features the Mediterranean diet. It offers easy and flavorful recipes ready in 30 minutes. If you are looking for a healthy lifestyle with quick and tasty meals, this is the one for you. What people say. Most of these recipes actually take less than 30 minutes to make, including the chopping and can opening, and they are healthy and delicious. The ingredients are ones you would already have on hand. Each recipe is clear and easy to follow and true to the name of the book, taking 30 minutes or less to make. Number 2. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook, Easy and Wholesome Meals. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is your solution. It provides easy and wholesome meal prep ideas. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious recipes. They are designed to be simple to make and packed with nutrients, perfect for any lifestyle. The beauty of this book is its focus on convenience. You can cook, prep your meals, and then grab them on the go, saving you time and effort. This cookbook simplifies meal prepping. It offers clear instructions and helpful tips to make your meal prep journey a breeze. This cookbook is the perfect tool for anyone looking to improve their diet. It is a great way to eat well and feel great. What we like. This cookbook is designed for meal prepping. It provides easy and wholesome meals to cook, prep, and grab. If you have a busy schedule and need convenient, healthy meals throughout the week, it's a great option. What people say. The healthy meal prep tips and principles are smart and practical. Recipes are labeled to indicate dietary restrictions and preferences that apply, i.e., dairy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, paleo, vegan. The nutrition information, number of servings, and serving size are listed for each recipe. Number 1. 5-ingredient college cookbook, recipes for college life. Are you a college student struggling to cook? This cookbook is your ultimate guide. It provides simple, delicious recipes with only 5 ingredients. This cookbook simplifies cooking for busy students. It focuses on quick and easy meals, perfect for dorm life or a shared apartment. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank. This cookbook offers affordable recipes. It helps you save money while enjoying tasty, home-cooked meals. Good food is essential for good grades. This cookbook provides recipes that are both nutritious and satisfying. It will keep you energized throughout the day. From breakfast to dinner, this cookbook has you covered. It includes recipes for every meal and snack. It's the perfect companion for your college journey. What we like. This cookbook focuses on 5-ingredient recipes. It's designed to help you survive college with easy meals. If you are a college student or someone who appreciates simplicity and affordability in the kitchen, this is the perfect cookbook for you. What people say. The 5-ingredient recipes make shopping easy and meal planning a breeze, especially for those who find daily cooking a challenge. The step-by-step instructions are clear and easy to follow, and there's plenty of variety to keep meals interesting without repeating the same dishes. Many fast, simple, healthy recipes for people short on time but tired of eating out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.